The international shipping industry accounts for over 90% of all global goods trade. There are currently about 50,000 commerce ships operating in the oceans, according to the International Chamber of Shipping. These gigantic machines are engineering marvels that account for a considerable amount of the world's commodity and human transportation. Stay tuned to the end of the video as we go through the top 8 largest container ships in the world. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Number 8. COSCO Shipping Universe. With a carrying capacity of 21,237 TEU, this behemoth is China's largest cargo ship. It measures 400 meters in length and 58.6 meters in width. It was transferred to China Ocean Shipping Company Limited after being built by China State Shipbuilding Corporation in 2018. The ship's equipped with ABB turbochargers for improved performance and fuel efficiency, allowing it to reach a top speed of 22 nautical miles per hour. With a dead weight of 199,000 megatons, this ship has become a flagship vessel of the 21st century maritime Silk Road, which links China's coast to Europe and Africa through the South China Sea and the Indian Ocean. Number 7. OOCL Hong Kong. At the time of its launch in 2017, the OOCL Hong Kong was one of the world's largest container ships. She's the first ship ever to exceed 2,100 TEU capacity. The company Orient Overseas Container Line created an engineering wonder. It was built at the Samsung Heavy Industry Shipyard and has a carrying capacity of 21,413 TEU. With a length of 399.87 meters, a width of 58.8 meters, and a depth of 32.5 meters, it's the world's largest container ship. It was christened and delivered in May 2017 and sails under the Hong Kong flag on the trade route from East Asia to Northern Europe. Number 6. CMA CGM Jacques Saade. The CMA CGM Group operates Jacques Saade. She began commercial service on September 23, 2020, and is the first of a class of 9 sister ships that were the world's largest vessels fueled by liquefied natural gas at the time of construction. She's named after CMA CGM's founder, Jacques Saade, and has a capacity of 23,000 TEU. She's the largest container ship sailing under the French flag in her category. The CSSC shipyard in Shanghai laid down the ship in July 2018, launched it in September 2019, and completed it in September 2020. She was supposed to be finished in November 2019, however, it was pushed back 10 months. She began commercial service on the French Asia Line route in September 2020 and is listed in the French International Register with the home port of Marseille. With the home port of Marseille, where the CMA CGM Group has had its headquarters for almost 40 years. Number 5. MSC Mina. MSC Mina is a container ship that was built in 2019 and is sailing under the flag of Panama. Its carrying capacity is 23,656 TEU, and her current draught is reported to be 14.5 meters. The ship, which is around 400 meters long and 61 meters broad, can transport the equivalent of 384 million pairs of shoes or 47,317 automobiles. Number 4. MSC Gulsun. The Mediterranean shipping company MSC Gulsun is the world's 4th largest container ship. Because of its large 62-meter width, it was one of the first ships in history to convey 24 container rows side by side. It has a length of 399.9 meters and a capacity of 23,756 TEUs. Samsung Heavy Industries built it, and it's registered in Panama. It has a dual-tower firefighting system and is designed in such a way that the enhanced container carrying capacity reduces the overall carbon footprint. Number 3. HMM Oslo. HMM Oslo and its sister ships, built by Samsung Heavy Industries, made their maiden voyage in 2020. Its carrying capacity is 23,000 TEU, and her current draught is reported to be 14.2 meters. Her length overall is 400 meters, and her width is 61.5 meters. Number 2. HMM Algeciras. HMM Algeciras has slipped to second place in the world's largest container ship rankings when Everace surpassed her in July 2021. It has a capacity of 23,964 TEUs, just 28 containers short of the top slot. It's one of 12 environmentally efficient container ships with a capacity of 24,000 TEU. These container ships are thought to be among the world's most technologically advanced container ships. The Panama flagship is 399.9 meters in length and 33.2 meters in depth. HMM intends to improve its environmental capabilities by running 20 new container ships that were just launched. In preparation for the IMO 2020 environmental requirement, the vessels are essentially equipped with a scrubber system. Furthermore, improved hull design and high-efficiency engines are projected to boost energy efficiency and cut carbon emissions. Number 1. Everace. Everace is the world's largest container ship with a capacity of 23,992 TEUs. It set sail for the first time in July 2021. This 400-meter-long behemoth measures 24 rows of side-by-side containers with a gigantic 61.53-meter width. Samsung Heavy Industries in South Korea constructed this technological masterpiece. The ship's main engine is a two-stroke Wärtsilä engine with 11 cylinders that produces 70,950 kilowatts of power and propels it to a cruising speed of 22.6 knots. That's all for today, folks. Tell us in the comments section what your point of view is. We'll see you with another amazing video.